So over here, you can see that I have this form right here. And if you want to go ahead and then share this form out with others, then one of the ways to do so is by sharing it out with a link so that they can access the form with the link and fill it out. So to do that, you need to go around and click on the collect responses button right here. And once you go around and click right here, you can see that by default, anyone can respond in this free version of Microsoft account of Microsoft Forms right here. And over here, you can see the form link. You can copy out this link right here, but for some reason, if you want the shortened URL, where let's say, for example, you have character count constraints in certain forms or posts, then you can shorten the URL over here as well so that you get a shorter URL just like this. So now what you can do is you can simply go around and copy out the link right here and the form is ready. So now other people, they will be able to just go around over here and then paste out this link right here, paste and access that particular link, and they'll be able to fill out the form right here, just like this. And that is how you can go around and then use a survey link for sharing out your forms inside of from Microsoft Forms. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe